Morning everybody, or almost good afternoon I guess. Today we're going to go ahead and put some of our seedlings in our hydroponics homes. Let me show you what I did today. So I didn't want just plain pots, so I went ahead and I took, I guess these are knee-highs. And I fitted them around, what is this, it's actually a yogurt or sour cream container, I just fitted it around there, and I took some acrylic paints and went ahead and painted these cute little flowers all over the outside because, we want it to look nice. And this one here, I painted with acrylic paint, and then I painted the flowers on over the dark paint. I actually like the knee-high one better. I think it looks better. But anyway, you can do it however you want. I decided I wanted these to look cute and decorative. I don't want just a plain container. And also, some people go ahead and use paper bags or things like that, but those really don't look good. Those are kind of ugly. So I decided to make them nice and put little flowers all over. And so you can do what you want with them, but I thought this was cute. And you know what? These could be great for if you have someone, mother or grandmother, who is really a gardening enthusiast that might really like these. So it might be good for a Mother's Day gift or something like that. So anyway, right here I have my solution, the Grow Big solution with the Fox Farm Grow Big in it. And I'm just going to add this to my pot up far enough so that when I put the little pot in, the water reaches the bottom of that pot, because the roots on here are not long enough to go very far into the water yet. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make it so that the water touches the roots. And so check out the root on this. This is the Bushmaster cucumber. And so we're going to stick him right in there, push him down so that he reaches the water. And then around the top, I'm just going to put a little bit of perlite. Kind of cover those gaps a little bit. So, and there we go. Isn't it cute? So like I said, these are great, and they're cute, and I think they make a great gift. So when these start to bush out, which they will, we'll go over how we're going to stake these and make them even cuter. So that is what we're doing today, our little lesson on hydroponics. And let's look at what it looks like underneath. See that? See it in there? That is darn cute, huh? And it just sits right in there, real neat and tidy. It's just a great idea. I'm really, really excited about how this is going to work. So if you liked the video and you want to see more, go ahead and click like and subscribe, and you'll be sure and get the notifications when I put new videos up. And you guys see what I did on these, right? I just cut the center out of the lid. See? So that fits right in the middle. Easy peasy. Everybody has containers in their house, and those little stocking things are cheap. You could even use old socks, whatever you have, you know, just so that it makes it dark inside. You don't want the light getting in and messing up your water, because algae grows really well when the sunlight hits the water. So you don't want that. We want these to be healthy and not have anything nasty growing in them. So again, thanks for watching, and go ahead and click like or subscribe so that you can see my videos as I make them. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day.